Alright, hey, today's project is going to show you how to take a Retina Engrave 3, an RE3 file, a project file, and save that so that you can come back to it on another day. Here in our lab, we're going to make a policy where we are clearing out the day's work. So all of these files up here, I'm going to end up trashing here at the end of the day. And it's important that you have your file that you can come back to, especially if you've been working on your settings, your vector power settings. You can load all those things back in. So what we have here, this is a student's project where he has created he actually has this as a CAD file, and he brought this CAD file in for his mousetrap car. And so when I do fit all, it shows me the entire screen of that project. I'm going to zoom in on it just so you can see what he was doing. Kind of back out there. So this was a project where he made his frame rails and some locking members for his mousetrap car chassis. And this was all cut as a vector. He had single pass at 100 and 100 on Baltic birch plywood. Let's just say that after he's cut this, he's going to make some adjustments to this particular project, and he wants to open this file back up. So he doesn't lose his work. We want to export this. So come up here to File, and you're going to export this to this project to File. So a Control-Shift-E will do the same thing, Control-Shift Export, or File, Export Project to File, the very last option there. So select Export to File. We're going to take this to Zach's workspace. So you want to go into the TechEd Share. You want to go to your student folder in here. So go to Students, go to S1, go to your teachers folders and the class you're in, and you're going to find your particular students folder. So this is Zach Sense's project. We're going to take that file, it creates an RE3 file, and save that there in that folder. So it's that easy. That way, at the end of the day, when I go and delete that project, and delete this project, and this project, and this project, and this project, and this project, all these projects are being deleted at the end of the day. That way, when you come back onto the machine another day, you can load your project back in. To load the project, you make connection through the internet IP address. Log in, open the RE3 Designer interface, come up to File, and you're going to load a project from File. So load from File, we're going to navigate back to that same folder that I just saved that in. So we need to go to TechEd. We're going down to Students, S1, teacher's name, course's name, your name, and there's Zach's RE3. I open that. That will import that file, and here we are. All his settings are there. He's ready to go and work. Very, very important. After you use the laser, please make sure you export to file, or you may lose your work that you did on the laser, and you're going to have to start all over again. So hopefully you also have your drawings backed up somewhere else. This is especially critical if you use this interface to design your work. If all your design work is done on this interface, please make sure you export your file, because at the end of the day, we are going to be clearing the laser's memory of your project. So, hope this helped you. Take care.